In this video, I'll show you how to remove the front grille on a 2017 Ford F350. So we already took it off, but I'll just show you real quick how to do it. It's pretty easy. So we're going to start off by removing these pop-out clips. Okay, just pop it out just like that. And these clips are going to be all around here. So there will be one right here. Just going to pay attention, find them. Alright, so once you take them all out, you could pop this piece out, just lift it out, just kind of guide it out. Alright, so once you take the panel off, you're going to have 10mm bolts all around. So this is what it looks like. Just take all of them off. They're all on top. That's what it looks like. Alright, so the grill has been removed already, so I'll just show you how it was. So once you take these 10mm bolts out, it sits really tight in place. So you're going to have to pull at it pretty good. So we started on this angle, we yanked it out, and there's going to be clips, so you're basically unclipping it at that point. Something's holding it. Okay, there you go. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You got a bunch of these little plastic clips. Ours has the camera in the front, so you would have to disconnect the camera and the sprayer. And there's going to be these little metal clips on the bottom. So that's about it. Alright, one more tip. So basically, I wasn't aware of this, but when you're popping out the bottom clips, the way to release them is, you see that hole on top? So you take a long head or a long screwdriver and you're basically pressing on them and they're gonna get unlocked just like that. And you have to do all of them right here on the bottom. So these pop out themselves, but the ones on the bottom, they're locked in. So you're gonna have to reach down there and pop them out.